Daisy May. Today's your last day being two, but Mama cooked you a cake for tomorrow. Do you want to try some? What do you think? Did I do a good job? Oh my goodness. Is it yummy? Daisy, I love you.